So in this video I'll be showing you how to replace the air vent. This one I've already replaced, but as you can see all the fins have dropped out here. Okay, that's simply because there's a bar that runs up here. If you're a bit brutal with it, it can knock it out of position. It's very difficult to see to replace. So to replace it, it's not too long a job, it's quite simple, just need to take your time. So you simply take a trim tool or screwdriver, and then starting in this corner, simply prise the cover all the way around on here. I've just done it just for the point at the moment, just for the point of the video. Once you've got this out of place, you can now simply remove the whole section. And the whole section will simply just come out. Once out, there's two connectors to undo. One is this connector here, and this connector connects to where the hazard lights are. And the other connector is on the left hand side, and it's where your USB and phono is in situ. So once you have this unit out, you can now simply turn it round, and to remove the thing, there's clips here, and here, and on this side, here, and here. Unclip these, and the unit will simply push or pull out. Okay, the unit supplied comes complete, as you can see here, and you would simply in reverse pop that in and place that into the same position. One key factor is that this bar that's actually sitting on it here, if you put any pressure onto this while inserting it, you can knock that bar out. So simply do it so that the actual unit is replaced like this. Never put it face down, as you'll be putting pressure onto this dial or knob here. So once you've got into situ, it's then just a simple case then of doing everything into reverse. So simply connect these connectors up here, your USB and your auxiliary, and this connector here, which would then go into your hazards, and then it's simply a case of just installing it back into position. Thank you for watching our video.